This is the continuation after standard hydrogen electrode. See, the potential difference between the anode and the cathode. If we have to calculate out the potential difference between the anode and the cathode in a galvanic cell, we can calculate it by using the formula E naught cell. It is a potential difference. E naught cell, it is equals to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. Means E naught right hand side minus E naught left hand side. This we have to keep in mind. Okay, now electrochemical series. We know that it is the arrangement of the various electrode systems in increasing order of their standard reduction potential. Keep this point in your mind. Various electrode system in the increasing order of their standard reduction potential. It means the elements which are present above in the electrochemical series, they will be oxidized easily. Okay, and the one which are present lower in the electrochemical series, they will have higher or more reduction potential values. Okay, the above one, they will have more oxidation potential values, and the one which are present lower in the electrochemical series, they will have higher reduction potential values. So first application of this electrochemical series, it is like, suppose we are having the electrochemical series, it is like this. See, if we talk about here, lithium, potassium, beryllium, calcium, they are present, and then see, hydrogen is present over here. Hydrogen, it has electrode potential value 0, and all the ions or elements or metals which are present lower in the electrochemical series, they will have higher reduction potential values. See, the reduction potential values are increasing from 0 to plus 0.34, and the values are increasing. They are increased till plus 2.87. So all the elements which are present below hydrogen in the electrochemical series, they will have higher reduction potential values. Here in this electrochemical series, only the reduction potential values are given. Okay, and all the elements which are present above hydrogen, see, hydrogen is having 0 electrode potential value, and all those which are present above hydrogen, it's minus negative of 0.13, 0.14, 0.25. If we'll go here, 0.74, 1.66, and it is increasing like this. Okay, in a negative values are like this, minus 3.05. And this is lithium, potassium, barium, calcium, they will have the more negative values. Negative values, it means those which are present above in the electrochemical series, they can be oxidized easily, they can oxidize easily, their reduction potential values are very less, they cannot be reduced easily. And those, like, if we move from top to bottom, the reduction potential values are increasing. See, all the reduction potential values, they are increasing. At hydrogen it is 0, and then they are increasing. Okay, so the first point was, if we talk about the electrochemical series, the first point is application, reactivity of metal. We can easily calculate out the reactivity of metal. See, we know that all those which are present above in the electrochemical series, they can easily lose electrons, and if they can easily lose electrons, it means they are good reducing agents. And the one which is present at the last in the electrochemical series, it can easily gain electron, and if it is gaining electron easily, it means it is good oxidizing agent. Okay, so reactivity of metals, if we have to find out, see, metals is in the electrochemical series, the tendency of the substances to get oxidized, it decreases from top to bottom. Getting oxidized, it decreases, it means those metals which are present above in the activity series, they will act as good metals, and those which are present below the reactivity of metal, it decreases down the series. Okay, second one is feasibility of our redox reaction. Feasibility means whether the reaction is spontaneous or not, or whether the reaction is possible or not. This is the meaning of feasibility of a redox reaction. Redox, we know that oxidation and reduction reaction, they occur simultaneously. A redox reaction is a feasible when the substance having higher reduction potential values get reduced. Those which are having higher reduction potential values, they get reduced. It means they are present towards the right hand side, the right one, the right hand electrode. It will be cathode, and cathode will be of those substances which will have higher reduction potential values. They get reduced, and the one with the lower reduction potential values, they will get oxidized. Like we have seen the electrochemical series also, the more negative value they will have, they will get oxidized, and the more positive value they will have, they will get reduced. So if E naught cell will calculate out by using this formula. E naught cell is equals to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. If this E naught cell value it is coming out to be positive, it means reaction is feasible. Then only reaction will take place. If the value will come out to be negative, it means the reaction is not feasible. It means such assembly of electrode that is not possible. Okay, and if the value of E naught cell it will be 0, it means reaction it is in equilibrium. No loss or gain of electron will take place. Now third, this application of electrochemical series, it is displacement of metal from the salt solution. By seeing the electrochemical series, we can easily see whether the metal it can displace any other metal or not. The metal which is present above above in the electrochemical series, it can displace all those metals which are present lower in the electrochemical series from their salt solutions. Okay, similar to the displacement reaction. Now displacement of hydrogen by metals. All those elements which are present above in the electrochemical series, above hydrogen in the electrochemical series, they all can displace hydrogen from acids, from dilute acids. Okay, so by seeing that electrochemical series, we can easily find out ki, whether the metal can displace hydrogen from acids or not. If that metal is present above in the electrochemical series, it can easily displace that hydrogen, and if it is present lower in the electrochemical series, it cannot. Now fifth is electropositive character of metals. Electropositive character, it is the character of metal. It means if we see the electrochemical series, the one which is present above in the electrochemical series, it will have more electropositive character. That is a good reducing agent. It can lose its electrons easily. So as the values of standard reduction potential values increases down the group in the series, down the series, not the group, down the series, the electrode reduction potential values, they are increasing. We have seen that negative values and then 0 and then positive, it keeps on increasing. The electropositive character of metal, it decreases. Okay, so the one which is present above in the electrochemical series, it will be a good metal and it will have more electropositive character, and the one which is present lower in the electrochemical series, it will have less electropositive character. And about the thermal stability of their oxides, higher the electropositive character, greater is the stability of its oxide. The more is the electropositive character, the greater is the stability of their oxides. Okay, now sixth is calculation of standard electrode potential. If we have to calculate E naught cell, so by seeing the electrochemical series, we can easily find out the value of E naught cell, E naught cathode and anode, whatever the single electrode potentials are given to us, we can put the electrode potential values here, and by putting the values, we can easily calculate out the value for E naught cell, and we can also calculate, or we can also see whether the reaction is feasible or not. Okay, so there are some questions also, and these questions also you have to do in your fair notebook. The standard reduction potentials of 4 metals A, B, C, D, these are given, and you have to write these metals in the decreasing order of their reactivity and reducing power, in the decreasing order. By seeing these these reduction potential values, see, it is minus 1.66, then minus 0.76 plus 0.34 plus 0.80. Next one is when a copper strip it is placed in aqueous solution of AgNO3, the color becomes blue. Why the color becomes blue? This you have to write. When chlorine water is added to the starch iodide solution. See, starch iodide solution, it is a mixture of starch and potassium iodide, Ki. And when chlorine Cl2 it is added in Ki, why it becomes violet? This you have to write. Next one, these all questions are related to the applications. Okay, what is the cell reaction? Cell reaction you have to write, and the EMF of the following cell. EMF, see, reduction potential values, these values are given to you and you have to write the EMF of the cell. Now last question is predict whether the following redox reaction is feasible or not. By seeing these, you will calculate out the value for E naught cell, and if E naught cell will be positive, it means reaction is feasible. Negative, then it is not feasible, and if it will be 0, it means the reaction is in equilibrium, no oxidation and reduction is taking place. So answer these questions also. Thank you.